Unraveling the Beauty of Language, the Lightning's Fork. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning journey. Today, we're going to explore an intriguing phrase that paints a vivid picture with just a few words: the lightning's fork. This exploration is not just about understanding the literal meaning, but also about appreciating the poetic beauty and the power of imagery in language. Let's dive into the fascinating world of English expressions together. At its core, the lightning's fork refers to the visual phenomenon we observe during a storm. Lightning, as you might know, is a sudden electrostatic discharge during a thunderstorm. The fork, in this context, describes the shape of the lightning bolt as it splits into two or more branches when it strikes. This branching pattern can resemble a fork, with multiple tines diverging from a single handle. It's nature's artwork in the sky, both beautiful and terrifying. Now, let's look beyond the literal and explore the deeper meanings. The lightning's fork is rich in symbolism. Lightning often represents power, speed, and the sudden illumination of something previously hidden. In literature and conversation, this phrase can evoke feelings of awe and fear, or symbolize a sudden, illuminating insight, much like an epiphany. It's a powerful example of how English uses natural phenomena to describe human emotions and ideas. You might wonder, how can we use the lightning's fork in our own communication? Here are a few examples. Descriptive writing. The storm painted the night sky with the lightning's fork, each bolt a masterpiece of light. Metaphorical use. In the midst of confusion, her advice came as the lightning's fork, clearing my doubts with sudden clarity. This phrase can add a layer of richness and vividness to your speech or writing, allowing you to convey complex ideas and emotions with just a few words. We hope this exploration of the lightning's fork has not only expanded your vocabulary but also your appreciation for the beauty and depth of the English language. Language is not just a tool for communication. It's a canvas for our thoughts, emotions, and the world around us. Thank you for joining us on this linguistic adventure. Keep curious and keep learning.